is just so gross.
Yeah, you're right.
He's just sitting on the windshield.
He's like, now maybe get some food
he's
and make a web
huge.
and stuff like that. Maybe I'll just eat some people.
Let's get him close up. His nasty little face. Ew.
Look at that.
Look at him moving.
He's like, ooh, let's do the jiggles. Yep, the wiggles. Let's make a salad.
Look at him moving. Ew, ew, ew.
Cassie. Oh, come on. Is she stupid enough just to do that?
Look at him.
Look.
Look at him. He's walking. Walking across the windshield. Ew. Finally. Maybe he's going to go home.
Maybe not. From a long distance of a day.
Ugh. Say bye to the praying mantis.
Bye.